UI Builder doc is a browser extension for ServiceNow. If you open it and you are not in UI Builder, you will see quick links right away. Those are the most used locations when you work with UI Builder. You can click on any card here, for example, Experiences, and it will open in the background for you. You can even filter. For example, let's see, I would like to see all script includes that start with incident. I can even use asterisk. So for example, I would like to see all script includes where name includes utils. And last feature, where there is a plus, I can create new records. For example, I would like to create new update set. When you want to open UI Builder, you have several options. You can click on UI Builder here, or you can utilize the search feature. Let's take a look on the search. When I click on the button, I have three options: search through experiences, page collections, and components. Let's take a look and look for Service Operations Workspace. You can see multiple records were found. I can scroll down and see that Service Operations Workspace is here. When I click on that, again, in background, UI Builder opens with the experience of Service Operations Workspace. Let's repeat. But this time, I don't want to leave the extension. So, for example, I'm looking for a record page, and I don't want to open any tab in the browser. I want to scroll down and look for record page. And I can see there are 4 screens hidden in the road. And I can open it, and the new tab opens in backend, and I can continue on working in the extension. You can see that for each result, there is a name, who created, what is the scope, rows with base paths, and screens. Pretty much the same is for page collections. When I look for test, I can see test collection in a global scope. What are the rows, base paths, and screens? For components, there are different data we would like to see. So when I click on search, I can see properties and dispatch events. Those are the most important things you would like to know when searching for components. For the results, you can see always overview with how many records were found. Those information are relevant for you only when you know how data are connected in the backend. Let's finally take a look how the extension look like in the UI Builder. Let's look for demo component. Let's open it. As soon as the page loads, you can again open the extension. As you can see, instead of clicking through all the parts in UI Builder, you can see everything on one place here. I don't have any data resources implemented, but for example, there is a counter state of type number with default value 0. There is a client script. I can see what is there, what are the properties, and what are the events. You can see I don't have any handled events, only one dispatched event. When you are in UI Builder, you can open the extension from any experience page, page collection, or component. When there are any data resources, you can see basic information, you can open it in a backend, and you can even see the events and what happens after each event. And of course, even when you are in any supported UI Builder page, you can still access the search feature or quick links feature. So that's all. I hope you will enjoy this extension, and don't forget you can follow me on my UI Builder blog, and you can as well access it through the extension here.